Meta is bringing the future to your face, literally. Hello GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to for all the tech news. The latest update for Ray-Ban and Oakley Meta smart glasses V21 are adding two game-changing audio features that could make these high-tech shades a must-have. First up is Conversation Focus, a feature teased back at MetaConnect 2025 and now rolling out to early access users in the US and Canada. Struggling to hear a friend over a crowded restaurant? Conversation Focus promises to isolate the voice you want to hear from the surrounding noise and stream it straight through your glasses speakers. Swipe your temple to adjust the volume, just like turning up a playlist, making sure you catch every word without missing a beat. While still in early access, the potential for this tool is huge for anyone tired of shouting over the crowd. The second audio upgrade comes with a musical twist, and you'll need Spotify to get in on the action. With the new look and Ask feature, your glasses can soundtrack your world, spot an album cover, or just fancy a song that fits your view. Say, "Hey Meta, play a song to match this view," and Spotify will serve up tracks that suits your music taste, turning everyday moments musical. Even if you're loyal to other streaming services, this feature is tempting enough to make you consider switching. Between isolating voices in a noisy room and turning the world into your personal concert, the Meta Smart Glasses V21 update is pushing the limits of wearable tech, and it's only just getting started. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.